gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you guys are gonna be seeing a vlog of my birthday. So the plans today is to hit Timpano, do a little restaurant, a little and then yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the likes button, and comment down any suggestions you have for any future videos. Yeah, stay tuned. Did I just of this? I'm back. Baddies. The cup that I haven't found. You think she gonna make that traumatize you? I know. Melissa said I have the best eyebrows in the world. I feel like they're kind of already pretty nice. So I don't like to add too much. But I feel like dark eyebrows make you look typically, if your eyebrows are not waxed, I do recommend you to super like cakey brush. Clean it up. I'll be trying to sit over here. And because of this back inside, I'm just gonna use this to put it
for my birthday.
yeah, why not?
But like I have my okay.
There's one person not here right now, but right now there's 6.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
This is so cute. Guys, it's so pretty. It's so quiet too. Why is it?
Why don't have everybody in one little room?
Cause so we could talk more. We could be closer. Steve. Over here.
This is when you become 17 again.
I know. My daughter,
What? The me one.
Watch this.
Effort, you're in my way. Oh, you could go through. Thank you. And last one, I want to be in the back of this. Yeah.
Sophisticated.
Bring it. We all could have just taken a picture together.
Which we did.
Huh? I think that would be pretty. All of us take a picture.
Hey, she was just about to raise her hand too.
Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hi.
Mom, you look bad. You guys all look gorgeous, except for Fernand.
I don't look gorgeous.
It's my birthday, y'all just have to laugh, okay? Look, guys. So look, right? I'm gonna say a joke. After I say chicken butt, all of you guys have to start laughing, okay? Alright? Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt! You gotta take videos too. What you got?
Goddamn, she got the biggest plate over there.
For real? That's what
That is so pretty.
You guys ready to feast?
Yes.
Okay, now don't eat yet.
We do a little bit of cinnamon small side bomboloni. We do 5 small donuts. We pop them in the oven. Then they put a little cannoli inside. And we serve them with pistachio paste, black cherries, caramel, and chocolate drizzle. That was my favorite one. But we got classic ones like the tiramisu. That is a little bit of ladyfinger crackers, a big jar, and then we got our small.
Oh. He low-key ate with it. He low-key ate with it.
He did.
Hold on. Hold on. Put it like over her head. A little. Yeah. Now bring it down for Evan.
And happy birthday!
Thank you. Chloe, you see what happened? Chloe. Oh. Alright guys, let's walk out.
Alright,
My crew.
let's go.
My crew, let's go.
You got it.
Smile.
Bare
Yeah,
feet.
she's gonna get her quad shoes. Barefoot. It's not far. Hey. You know you can flip the. Hey. You say you want me to open the door? Open the door? Okay.
She just provoked me. I don't even like doing all that. I don't even like cursing and stuff.
This fuck.
Where are you?
Ho, is you cool?
Oh,
Hey, where's
Sorry.
my phone, nigga?
Oh.
I gotta do a TikTok. Hold on, stay in your spot, bitch. They not finna get you
Where
yet.
my phone at? We need to come to Fort Lauderdale more often.
I'm saying I love it. This is why I always.
It's going down. Just about 17.
Make sure you
Damn,
flip the
our
damn
face is.
photo.
Oh, Horse, are you
saying we do the same
crazy?
shit.
Are you crazy?
I just tried today. So I don't know much about alcohol or girls yet. I know that Mom said that I should find someone just like. They tricking, I ain't with it. You can't hit it.
Hey guys, I'm back home. We're just gonna unbox all my gifts together. Y'all, I'm tired. A time was had. First up, this gift is from, I think it was from my brother. Ooh, I love this gum, y'all. Ooh. So, we got that. So, next gift. This gift, ooh, is from my mommy. Look what she got me, guys. It's so pretty. Yesterday we went to the mall and we were like, oh, it smells so good, it smells so good. And I'm like, next time, like, add that to the Christmas list. My mom literally must make it happen. Must make it happen. I said, I love that. Add it to the Christmas list. Next day, boom. Guys, look how pretty it is. I'm gonna put this one in my bag. This one's gonna be in my bag. These two. Let me take a picture of it. Next thing is from Pandora. Look at my earrings, guys. Those are so pretty, bro. I wanted these so bad. Look at the bow. Next, oh, she got me a speaker. Ralph Kelsey. I think she got a size too small. But who cares? Yeah, I wear a 6, but these are amazing. Kelsey got me my Uggs, but Kelsey also, she got me some lip gloss, stuffed animal, a little steam, some perfume. This gift is from Chloe. I don't know what Chloe got me. Chloe got me some pops. She got me a Hello Kitty pop. I love my Melody, guys. Another Hello Kitty cup. She got me candy. I love candy. Got me. Shit. These are my friends, y'all. If y'all know me, bro, I be messing. Ooh, I'm about to eat this right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Sweater! Sweater winner! Sweater winner! Aw, it's so cute. Phoebe. It's so cute. I like the little letters. This is perfect. It's getting a little chilly too. Thank you, Chloe. That's it for my gifts, guys. I'm gonna go eat some of them. And thank you for everybody who got me a gift. So thank you for being with me. I'm so happy. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys.